Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Makeup Pout, and I'm your host Sarah Khan. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you about the skin whitening tips, which is important for your skin. If you want a glowing skin, you should use them. So let's get started. Skin whitening is a sensitive and controversial topic. It's important to approach it with care, considering both the potential benefits and risk. Rather than promoting harmful or extreme measures, here are some general tips for achieving a brighter, even skin tone naturally. Number one is sun protection. Use sunscreen. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily to protect against UV rays that can cause dark spots and uneven skin tone. Wear protective clothing. Use hats, sunglasses, and long sleeves when exposed to the sun for extended periods. Number 2 is healthy skincare routine. Cleansing. Cleanse your skin twice daily to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Exfoliation. Gently exfoliate your skin 1-2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Moisturizing. Use a good moisturizer suitable for your skin type to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Number 3 is natural ingredients. Lemon juice, rich in vitamin C. Lemon juice can help lighten dark spots, however, it can be a harsh on the skin, so use it sparingly and always follow up the sunscreen. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. Aloe vera can help reduce pigmentation and improve skin tone. Turmeric, a natural anti-inflammatory, turmeric can help brighten the skin when used in face masks. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help exfoliate and lighten the skin. Number 4 is diet and hydration. Eat a balanced diet. Include fruit, vegetables, and food rich in vitamins A, C, and E to support healthy skin. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and flush out toxins. Number 5. Over the counter products. Vitamin C serums. Vitamin C serums can help reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin. Retinoids promote skin cell turnover and can help with dark spots and uneven skin tone. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3. This can help lighten dark spots and improve skin texture. Number 6. Consult a dermatologist. If you're considering a stronger treatments like chemical peels, laser therapy, or prescription creams, it's important to consult a dermatologist to ensure they are suitable for your skin type and concerns. It's essential to embrace your natural skin tone and focus on your maintaining healthy, glowing skin rather than aiming for drastic changes. So guys, that's it. At the end of the video finally, and I hope you liked it, and if you like it, share my video and subscribe my channel, and for more information you can visit my website Makeup Pout. Goodbye.